If your iPad not connecting to PC, first thing first, you need to unlock your iPad. Then try to connect. Step number 1. Don't use this unbranded or damaged cable. Use only official Apple cable. These unbranded cables are only used for charging purpose if it is in good condition. For file transfer, you need to use this official Apple cable. If it damaged means change this to new one. And if your iPad charging port was Type-C, for example 10th generation, on the box you will get this Type-C to Type-C. But if you try to connect this to Windows PC or laptop, you need some another brand USB to Type-C cable. And if you used adapters for Type-C cable to connect to your PC or laptop, you just change this adapter because this plastic type of adapter frequently damaged. So you need to change this to new one, or better buy this type of metal framed adapters. That's step number 2. Then step number 3, install iTunes on your PC. If you don't know how to download and install iTunes for free, watch this video. I will explain everything in step-by-step manner. Install and launch the iTunes, then connect to your iPad. Hopefully it works. If still it doesn't work, just flip the cable. Most of the time it will works. If still it doesn't connect means try to connect your iPad to another Windows PC or laptop if you have, because it may be your charging related issue. You can't do anything here, it needs a service. These are the ways to fix if your iPad not connecting to PC. If you want to know more videos about iPad, watch these videos.